In our cooldown here, we are given two functions on a graph. R, which gives us the height of a toy rocket as a function of time, and D, which gives us the height of a drone as a function of time. In the first question, we are asked to figure out which of these inequalities is true, the first one or the second one. So if we look at that first inequality, R of 2 is greater than D of 2. That means we have to come down here and check, well, my input, which is time, is 2 seconds. So which one is higher at 2 seconds? And we can tell pretty clearly the drone is only around 20 feet up, and the rocket is closer to 45 feet. So R of 2 is greater than D of 2. In the second question, we are asked what was the height of the drone when the toy rocket hit the ground. So there's two pieces we have to read here. We have to first find when does the toy rocket hit the ground? Well, that happens when its height is 0, which is right here at 5 seconds. But then we have to go and say, okay, well, what is the height of the drone at that time? So we can come up here and trace up to around 5 seconds, and it looks like the height of the drone is still 20 feet. The last question asks us for what value of t is the equation r of t equals d of t true. So in other words, we want to know, hey, what does t equal here so that these two things match? Well, that happens right here, only one time on this graph where they cross, right? That is where their outputs are equal. And that seems to have happened not at an exact time, probably right around, I'm going to call that 4.2 seconds. And there's our cooldown.